What is nitrogen's role in leafy growth? Did you guess it? The answer is chlorophyll. How does overwatering affect plant roots? Time's up! It's root rot! When should you apply dormant oil spray? The correct choice is late winter. Why is sulfur used to lower soil pH? Answer: acidification. What is the purpose of a dibber tool? The answer is making holes. How do you identify leaf miner tracks? The answer is squiggly lines. Where should you place a rain gauge? Time's up. It's open area. What is the benefit of a cover crop? Answer: soil health. Why are determinate tomatoes compact? The answer is terminal buds. How do you sterilize garden pruners? Here is the answer: rubbing alcohol. When is the best time to take cuttings? The answer is morning. Why do carrots need deep, loose soil? Did you guess it? The answer is root shape. What is the process of vermicomposting? And the answer is using worms. How do you stop cabbage white moths? And the answer is netting. Why use a row cover in early spring? Time's up! It's frost protection! What characterizes a heavy feeder plant? The answer is needs nutrients. How does lime affect acidic garden soil? Did you guess it? The answer is raises pH. When should you prune summer spirea? Here is the answer: late winter. Why is bottom heat used for seeds? The answer is speeds growth. What is a common sign of scale insects? The answer is sticky residue. How do you use a soil moisture meter? The correct choice is insert probe. Where do you prune to encourage bushiness? And the answer is above a node. How do you manage thrips organically? Time's up! It's neem oil! What is the primary cause of leaf curl? The correct choice is fungal spores. Why is copper used as a fungicide? The answer is disrupt cells. When should you harvest garlic bulbs? Answer, brown leaves. Why is bone meal added to bulb holes? Here is the answer, adds phosphorus. What defines an indeterminate tomato? Answer, vining growth. How do you treat rust on hollyhocks? Time's up, it's fungicide. Why is potassium needed for fruit? And the answer is quality and size. What is the main cause of sun scald? The correct choice is sudden heat. How does xeriscaping conserve water? Time's up, it's drought plants. What is the purpose of cold stratifying? The answer is break dormancy. What is the effect of soil compaction? Answer, poor aeration. When is the best time to divide irises? The answer is late summer. What is the role of molybdenum in plants? The answer is nitrogen uptake. How does allelopathy inhibit growth? The correct choice is chemical release. When do you use the scarification method? The correct choice is hard seeds. Why is chelated iron more effective? And the answer is easier uptake. What is the benefit of biochar in soil? Time's up, it's carbon storage. Why are day-neutral strawberries unique? Time's up, it's flower anytime. When should you apply gypsum to soil? Here is the answer, to reduce salt. How do you perform air layering? And the answer is wrap a branch. What is the function of a surfactant? The answer is better spread. How does photoperiodism affect blooms? Answer, light duration. When should you transplant rhubarb? The answer is early spring. Why is manganese crucial for plants? The correct choice is photosynthesis. How do you identify verticillium wilt? Did you guess it? The answer is yellowing V shape. Why are auxins vital for plant stems? The answer is cell elongation. How do you identify lace bug damage? Time's up. It's stippled leaves. And that's a wrap. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Catch you in the next video.